Ghana for Ghana for. Remember me this your boy. And Samson me this your boy. Remember me yo man, my nigga. What you see? Me didn't the owner na O for original. Me be original. Me get China for sip. And the money golly do what a money golly do. Me be 2 eyes.
Frankie's yo, and my friends call me when they need me.
Babylon creatures.
Babylon creatures.
See never dry. I never say die. I will never die. The juice or no juice segment. A hano video. Say there, you back me a become one sem. Say go years wa. You back me about become one sem. A video reaction. And you born a bed and you day brem. A hano. Oh yeah, John Boo, John Taylor, John Jolofa. Want to me should be. I just say oh yeah Takuntala. And I said oh yeah Mafia and Tafia. I said we who dear call. Now we who dear ba. Welcome to the juice or no juice segment.
I am Miss V.
Why?
Hey,
I be shawarma.
Miss V. Now, movies.
Yeah, you know. See for Ghana for a man for Moshe sa video we be. A latest, a very latest. Moshe be. Ya ba ni aba be di hun komo. Aba be di hun komo. Moshe be. Ghana for TF4 some ashwebi mo feeli miss me feeli mo leafy miss me leafy ya wa ha na Miss V I better just say why depressed,
frustrated.
Yeah, she's in a state of patampandros.
Now ona na pacho e dey frustration eba. Like Obika say I'm depressed and frustrated. What brings about frustration and depression?
Oh, who say nipa da se ni de owo ho a enyoma bebre and never wa brabo me how a torment we hantel. What a mental disorder kakra. What is this key or what links no na otim say enyoma bi koso a ompe entini nyina no o de ko daye mu ni adwindwin mu
e send so
and no buy no say there's a new sheriff in town. Young day nyane
any more di pie ye
and no say another one buy. Ah, nah, who are you? You want to take and see what do? Who are you? And you're Jane Boko. You why you was a Mugis? Hey, Miss V, I go Pierre Mugis couch, so we go Pierre what company mu be all link case I did rational. Eh, why?
10 year rush of
if you're not 10 now.
Gengam
the link in the Mugis. Because you're depressed, you know. Now down for pa, if you're not 10 now. If you're not 10 now, so now down for pa, you Mugis. It's Mugis kakra, Miss V kakra, and a date rush, you know.
That's all it.
Ya den yane ya Miss V featuring Mugis. Did the very latest at all. My friend, Baddest Boss. Produced by Sazi Afro C. She say I'm links to be on Sazi Afro C. She say I'm kube beat be mo. You better Sazi Afro C beat. Who are you? You want to say that you? Who are you? I don't think on that over to Ajagbagba. Hey, Ajagbagba. Hey, Ajagbagba. What was that twerk you? You're very cheap twerking.
Can you be?
Why?
Shawale you be?
Hey, Shatawale is all pure.
Ajagbagba. Oh, Agbagba.
Somebody help me dance Agbaja. Hey, Ajagbagba. Oh, Agbagba. Hey, now Miss V of fine where she fish out a new man.
Ebe sir.
Ajagbagba. Oh, Agbagba. Somebody help me dance Agbaja. Ajagbagba. Oh, Agbagba.
Hey, na shata so the only so the on fa copyright in your media group no go who shata there.
We say camp na nkasa no. Ye wo bibia friend green shisha.
Green shisha.
You will be your friend green locals.
All right.
Now local greens no will camp. Into more represent your into to be for inspiration if you be
green shisha for the community of green lovers.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Video no was shot by Justin Campos.
Beautiful.
Yeah, South African director, Papa Pie, Africa. We try videos, a man called Bebre or Africa.
Did them say Langard?
Don't we have video directors in Ghana? Why do you go for South African video director? I say Justin Campos is only Mugis money out to beast, no? Most of how to beast videos. Justin and the Tramon.
Okay.
It's in Mugis. Any Miss V, ebe close now. The who ya say Justin Campos. A trap video no. The video no so omo in twa Ghana. Omo ko twa South Africa. Me say dem omo ko twa South Africa. Na o hwe video na opening shot. Omo she ngre mu say Garden of Eden o say there o whole greens na dia dance na dia de. O show omo costume so they didn't wear Ghanaian made costumes.
What the chile my drink kakram.
David Diva. Who Miss V? Who ya Igbeni? Ya wa Ghana ha yen ya nim say who ya Igbeni number 9. Who born 9? Come on.
Esekoma.
Who go South Africa? Art center ho. Who Paifa Art center? Who benya original Ayibe Kente.
Oh yes.
Now they go South Africa. Now rep Ghana. It was South Africa.
Beautiful.
Now we show video now. Almost South African traditional wear bina dia. I don't know who influenced Miss V on the set. Yes, because I do away the director. So Campos no South African.
So as an artist, you better chance. Oh no, I didn't say couldn't say. Anna,
the artist
have no
can contribute.
Oh, yes.
You can deliberate on issues and settle. Because we watch and say, oh, me and so many costume be by
yeah.
But me and Shai be representing Ghana because I'm Ghanaian.
Yeah.
Because South Africa is all representing Ghana. Video no sha, how much South African wear and the new maybe a young when
that Ghanaian shield nowadays.
I don't know what they are portraying. Because so Miss we are Ghanaian artist, no because how would the person know you are coming from Ghana?
How would we get your identity?
No, you've lost your bearing. What you say? Yeah, who baby are free. Mugis and so me say summer top or say then t-shirt. Oh, Mugis. Now Mugis verse, no? Seriously. Ajagbagba Miss V repair, but Miss V was not even sounding like a Ghanaian. Seriously.
So what you say, Miss V wasn't sounding herself.
I know the original Miss V. Miss V, I don't know who influenced Miss V. I listened to the track. In between the track, no, Miss V was sounding like Yemi Alade.
Wow. That's just there was more influence of Nigeria in that music.
Yes, and you can't do that thing better than Yemi Alade. Because Yemi Alade na kasa meti oya calm down, deliberate, oya deliberate. Nini na Nigeria kasa pidgin or can cry. We have the Ghanaian pidgin, we have the Nigerian pidgin. How can you oya there? It's not yours. Yeah, my home support. We giant. And I will for obi lie. There be Mugis and so our game no match. We a senior man. Senior man so jina on also different styles. And man take Miss V costume na say first. Man say take the delivery. I want nyom na say.
Oh yes.
It didn't sound Ghanaian. O free links and see no person open the tentacles. She's trying to open her tentacles.
Okay, she's trying other things.
Other things. Yeah, she wants to take from different sources. But yes, I know so who origin.
Identity no.
Who club no. Who origin, who club, who star no. I can't see a pigeon and I'm a boy.
Your pigeon.
But your car will meet you. Oya be mu pe. Oya komole majolo. Baby. And Nigerian steez. It's Miss V, man feleno on costume level, man feleno on the delivery. So now let's move fast forward to Mugis.
Will you be hotter than a sauna, hotter than the summer, so baby make you run away. I wanna give you plenty take away.
Rumors are out that Mugis is dating Miss V. That's alleged allegations. And so who dates your mama? Who dating one and say Muko studio crash vibe over here.
Okay.
What's Mugis? I mean Mugis. What's your Mugis verse? Yeah, you can't be on a track with Mugis and Mugis in deliver. Obema top verse. My verse will you know 1-1, but still na me who now say beat the name no the beat the
no.
There was something missing, the missing ingredient.
The X factor wasn't coming.
The Irish Queen. Video the effect, yeah, kind of quality level there, quality, any location, near they are there, and then effect. But say omen portray Ghana, omo deny Ghana, omo call South Africa could deny Ghana, and no, and the tram yem and the shimmy. And you know utie chorus na ebechew, yes. But me as a Ghanaian, I'm talking as a Ghanaian. Miss V does not represent Ghana. Oh yeah, there so yeah. She went there as an African, not a Ghanaian. Or represent you big culture, that's African. And they always South Africa, you are African. But uncle, you were Ghana, you were original authentic continue west. I went to my side where representing Ghana man video na there. IFA. You mean that day or you the video, I won't say your sheshe or original way where Nigerian way cloth na there. They won't say your sheshe.
Oh yes.
Or share own baby or free. But see ya there what question no South African way only no sheno. What they should ye, should they no sheno. Italian no sheno.
Kita Guinea shield na they say we call ancient for war na they
Miss V I before the cry then. July. Or before the July. You didn't represent the US in South Africa. Just a couple is on the onya no the mamu or no director. Enti no the obenya e no the mamu. Oh artist no coseta. Eso to me no bon komo. Oh me ba no cry me de ye entire ni bi ba enti. Ye fan Italian ni den. Ye hwehwe ni ye portray Ghana in the video. Sisi awako chab abadi abetu YouTube ajagbagba ena yeah sisi aye person ye hu baby a Miss V okay one artist will free him she's South African oko share we comments na there South Africa for no cry e be so buku
no Miss V hey
oh it's Miss V on that note na dear you disappointed me
but I before Piscololo in Kumankura nice pa.
Yeah, when you Piscololo, we are being professionals over here. Okay. It's about the track, it's not about the Piscololo. Okay. Don't take me for granted. I'm serious over here, my brother. And you Piscololo as okay. Far from that. Far from the Piscololo. Let's be professionals over here. Okay. Track na oh yeah, you know. Ajagbagba you know. Bechere masie. There yeah entia okwahwehwe South African way. Bechere masie. The yeah Mugis, the best of all time. The lyrical delivery. Oh yes. Lyrical delivery. Oh you're very good. But then me who Mugis flow ni. Also a Django on Bechere Masie. Captain Smart Bechere Masie. Now for a video director and so on, we can equally fly Ghanaian video directors to South Africa. So location the grand I'm see new Ghana. They'll bring you the same product. And go for Ghanaian directors and call South Africa. Yeah, I share everybody video coach out South Africa. It's standard. Yeah. It's nice. I know to Skyface and the coach That's a Ghanaian director. I'm in trouble Ghana, but it's nice.
And then you work with your own. So you can't say ideas near then you can play around, massage there. Because they're full South African. There's no Ghanaian in it. Full South African. So Charlie Petro, support your own. Support your own. And
so I Ghanaian video director come in drain some cover share South African well.
No.
Because almost they will be prepared. At least almost movie from here. Video director no kita storyboard no, kita storyline no. To him style and where she say mo drew and I won't come for South African way, traditional way and bambeshow. You were being influenced by the video director. I can say it on all authority.
And moi, Shaho, Kikrao.
One year steady, na mo fa game ni serious. Because you see again elevation abim. Gab no still na Nigeria for the gab here. And since you say ni ebe Lucy ebe na, then where will they go? The question remains. Where will they go?
What's up guys, my name is KB and this is entertainment news in 60 seconds. Nigerian singer Mr. Easy has shared more details about his forthcoming collaboration with American rapper Nicki Minaj and J Balvin. He confirmed this by playing a snippet of Nicki's part of the song. He also revealed that the song will be on his upcoming EP titled Sounds of Sango. Universal Music Group has launched Def Jam Africa, a label dedicated to the best of hip-hop and Afrobeat talents across the continent. The label will initially be based in two of Africa's main entertainment music hubs, which is Lagos, Nigeria and Joburg, South Africa, but will definitely sign talent across the continent. Finally, Cardi B has announced plans of releasing the lead single from her forthcoming sophomore album. In an Instagram live session, she told fans to expect the lead single, which is going to be released real soon. That's about it for entertainment news in 60 seconds. My name is KB. I'm out.
Yeah, Miss V featuring Mugis, the baddest boss. Juice or no juice? Frankies, your thoughts?
Yeah, I'm tasting.
Never taste that. Never taste. Okay, taste this feeling.
Oh no, them cool.
Too much sugar, too much salt. What do you feel? Ingredients going home. A cocktail, a feeling. A mixed feeling.
Mixed feeling and cup.
Juice or no juice?
No juice, yeah.
No juice.
Bobby.
Sure.
You take me and my wife, you are small boys.
Go home. Go do your homework. Your my assignment. Go and do your homework. Mugis, Miss V, Justin Campos, combination, no juice.
Amend your records
accordingly. Go on YouTube and subscribe to our channel, Hype Masters. So what person your crispy cruncher and what's your fast and steady, swift and slow, smart and courteous and extra
vigilant
in case it is saying yeah, but lock it.